I bet you're here because your Steam Mop is not steaming, and that's exactly what happened to mine, but I'm gonna show you the easy way to do it. There's a bunch of ways out there, but easy way, we're gonna get it done, and yeah, stick around. Well, that's all she's got. Just a tiny bit of steam and a whole bunch of water dripping down. Welcome to my sink of despair, where everything goes, it's in a state of disrepair. We gotta get the water out of this thing. Well, that was easy. I'm gonna use CLR. I think lime away would work, probably all kinds of other things, maybe even vinegar, but this one will probably be the best for the job. I doubt if it needs a whole lot, just enough to get down into the innards of it. And I don't suppose it'd hurt to shake it up a little bit in there too, get it all switched around. Maybe we'll even run the pump a little. I definitely should have taken this outside for this step because the fumes the CLR will create when the pump starts running can be pretty bad for you. That's probably a good idea, right? Yeah, we'll turn it on, run the pump, get some right through the system going. It actually is a pretty important step to run the pump, but only just briefly, and we definitely want to do it outside. So take it outside, plug it in, immediately turn the pump on, and just let it run for maybe 5-10 seconds. Let the pump do its thing and unplug it from the wall right away. So we're trying to avoid making any steam if we can get away with it. Now we wait for it to do its magic.
24 hours later.
Well, this has been sitting for about 24 hours now, and I'm gonna take it outside. I think that'd be a better place to give it a test if it's got CLR in it, but we'll turn it on out there and see if the steam comes out. Well, it's plugged in, we'll turn it on high. See what happens. All right, I think I'm gonna take the CLR out and let's go put some water in there. That CLR is not something you wanna be breathing in. All right, well, I got this thing unplugged and let it cool down for a little while, kind of stay clear of it while it does its thing. And let's take it back inside, we'll drain it, we'll put some water in it. Well, that worked pretty good. Let's get the rest of this out of here. I'm gonna give it a good rinse too and get the rest of it out. Now that we've got the tank cleaned out, don't forget we still have CLR inside the pump and that needs to get cleared out as well. So let's put some fresh water in it, we'll take it back outside and we'll run it one more time. We'll run it a whole bunch through it this time and let it clear itself all the way clean. My Steam Mop was full of hard water deposits, and a pretty good way to help prevent it from happening again next time, reverse osmosis water or distilled water would work just great too. Well, I like saving things from going to the landfill when I can, and this time it worked out pretty good. So, well, hopefully it helped out you too. Give me a thumbs up if it did, and maybe we'll see you around.